everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to unhide posts from Facebook timeline. So in order to unhide posts from Facebook timeline, all you need to do is open the Facebook app and log in. So after you're logged in, what you need to do is here, click the menu bar from the top right corner of your screen and go to the gear icon once again from the top right hand side corner. So while you are on the settings and privacy section, you want to scroll down a bit and look for your activity, right? So there you have your activity. Underneath, click on activity log. So when you go to the activity log, you want to scroll down right to the bottom. Then there is this logged in information. So click on it in order to expand. Scroll down once again. Then you have these sections, right? So you could go to Privacy Checkup. Scroll down and you would go to Privacy Checkup interactions. So when you go to this section, you might be able to find the hidden photos or hidden post, and you could go ahead and simply click on unhide post. If you are unable to find it on this section, then you could also go ahead and scroll down, or you could just go to your Facebook activity and then you could scroll down a bit. Then you would click on other activity and click on other records. So when you go to other records, you could find the post that is hid. So if you click on the three dot icon, you could go ahead and click on back, or you could just go ahead and unhide, and that is basically how it's done. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.